There's a common myth that you cannot install fence in the wintertime. However, at Flying O, we can install fence in the wintertime just as effectively as we can in the summertime. By installing in the wintertime, it allows certain benefits that you would not gain in summertime. Some benefits that you gain by installing in the wintertime is that your sod is not tore up due to wet ground. In the winter, the ground is frozen, and so the equipment can track on top of your sod without tearing it up. The ground heals a lot more rapidly in the springtime than it does in the late summer. When we build fence in the wintertime, we spend time early fall, late winter, setting the posts, getting everything into the ground, making sure everything's wrapped up, the dirt is laid back where it needs to go. Then the ground can freeze and Montana can do its thing. We come back later on in the winter and then we start building the fence and assembling all the parts and pieces to the fence. The concrete will be set up nice and firm before we build on it. It assures that the posts will be in the ground, and it also assures that you will have a fence finished, completed, looking pretty. Doesn't matter what you're looking for, chain link, vinyl, ornamental, wood, a custom fence, whatever your needs are, we'll get you taken care of. So don't wait, call us now so we can get you on the books and get you taken care of so that you can enjoy the Montana spring that we all look forward to.